In this video, I'll show you how to add photo in Canva. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into your Canva profile. So if you don't have a profile, I'll be attaching the link to this canva.com in this video description, right? So that you can create your own profile and start working with it. So you need to click on this document right here. That is great, and you wait for it to load. Give it very few seconds. So it has opened right here, and what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna click on this upload because I want to upload a photo right here in Canva. So I already uploaded these two images, but I'm gonna do this right. So as I'll show you guys how you can upload yours, how you can add photo in Canva. So you click on this upload an image or video. You'd select any preferred image you want or picture. So I want to select this. I'll click on this, click on open. You can see our picture has been loaded right here, right? So I can still come on here, drag it till this. So this is it. I can use this to reduce its length, right? So this is HowTo do brand on YouTube. And once I'm done, you can see this is how you can add photo here in Canva. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.